Are you a vlogger that wants to stand out with your 360 videos? We found a metal cage and a foldable RGB LED light for Insta360 ONE X2 that will be great for you. This metal cage has 2 cold shoes, 2 standard tripod mounts, and 1 on the side and 1 at the bottom. It also has the standard GoPro foldable legs to use with your GoPro vlogging accessories. If you don't like the metal cage and you want something small, we also found a tiny cold shoe mount that can hide under your ONE X2 camera to mount a light or microphone for vlogging. Let's check it out now.
Thank you, Keeley, for a nice introduction. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Hugh here from Creator Up. The Insta360 ONE X2 is a great 360 action camera, but compared to Insta360 ONE R right here, ONE X2 is missing mounting option for vlogging. We need a way to mount light and microphone, and at the same time protect your expensive investment. So I looked around on the internet and I found the Ulanzi metal cage for the Insta360 ONE X2. It only weighs 68 grams, and with ONE X2 inside and the protective cover on it, it weighs 224 grams. So it is not terribly heavy. It does not block the 360 microphone and the power button. You can still easily replace the battery, SD card, or plug in your USB-C for charging. The best feature is the tripod mounting option at the base. It has the standard 1/4-inch tripod mount and the foldable GoPro legs for the long invisible monopod built for GoPro, like the famous 270 Pro right here. If you want a review of this pole, it's right here. It has 2 cold shoes that allow you to mount 2 lights or 2 microphones, like the 2 side microphone right here. By the way, this is a great vlogging microphone for 360 camera. It is small, so the footprint is small, and you can capture high quality audio on both sides of the lens. It will be visible in 360 video, but for vlogging, it's perfect. It is also very cheap compared to other major brands. I will put the link down below if you are interested. You still need the official ONE X2 microphone attachment to make this shotgun microphone to work, so make sure to get that as well. One drawback compared to the ONE R metal cage is the official rubber cover will not fit, so you have to use this rubber lens cover. The good news is, this rubber lens cover is come free with the cage. As you see here, I can attach the small video light. It will be great for vlogging at night. The little Ulanzi video light has 95 plus CRI, so it looks good on skin tone. It is the most affordable vlog light I use. But that is not my favorite light. My favorite light is the foldable RGB LED video light right here. It is a very powerful light, very well made with changeable RGB color, so you can add creative color for your vlog. As you see the skin tone under different color, it looks really cool. The best feature of this light, it is foldable, so it can be a large LED panel if you only need one side lit, or folded light so for 360 video. Here is my setup to use this foldable RGB LED light for 360 vlogging. I use a riser to give some space between the ONE X2 and the light. Here is the end result. Okay, wait, hold on. I need to get out of frame first.
Yeah, get out of the frame, Hugh. Go away.
Okay, good. Yeah, just say something.
Hugh's hiding out of the frame.
Come on.
Hugh was hiding.
This little fun vlog edit actually take me like 3 minutes to do, very easy when you have the right gears and correct workflow. Before I show you how to edit with the GoPro FX Reframe plugin, which is free by the way, I want to show you one more piece of the puzzle. It is this little cold shoes mount right here. You might not want the full metal cage and don't need to rig 2 lights and a microphone. The One X2 internal microphone is actually really good for vlogging, as good as GoPro Max with spatial audio support. So this little cold shoes attachment can hide between your tripod and your One X2 light. So that allows you to attach 1 additional accessory instead of 3. If your accessory has an extra mounting point like my Ulanzi LED light right here, you can mount your microphones there and extend your setup without an extra cage. Also, this little cold shoe is extremely cheap and I consider it a must-have for One X2 vlogging setup. No creator up tutorial and without some post-production love. I have in-depth tutorial on vlog edit with 360 camera right here already, which is done with the GoPro Max. So let me show you real quick on One X2 workflow. So if you use Adobe Premiere, One X2 INSV file is natively supported. Insta360 called it a no-stitch workflow. Please make sure your Premiere is updated to the latest version. Then just simply drop in your INSV files. Right-click on the INSV file and select Source Settings. A special menu will show up. Make sure you pick Dynamic Stitching and Chromatic Aberration. This will help remove your stitch line and chromatic aberration. Very important, and write it down. Also, in the stitching menu, pick Lock Direction. Lock direction is necessary for vlogging setup. If you are editing a 360 video, you can uncheck the lock direction. All these features are not available on mobile phone stitching. That is why to edit your vlog on your computer will have such a higher quality in 4K than on a phone. Create a 4K sequence for YouTube delivery. Drop in your INSV file directly onto your new sequence. Go ahead and go to Effects, search for GoPro FX Reframe plugin. Thank you GoPro for this amazing free plugin. Now set your projection to GoPro 4K 16:9 as 4K will have the best compression quality on YouTube. Then just drag and reframe and insert keyframes. Make sure you turn on motion blur for cinematic camera movement, then you render from Premiere and upload on YouTube directly. Please check out this video for a more in-depth vlog editing tutorial and this one for DaVinci Resolve workflow instead. In the next video, we will review the official underwater housing for the Insta360 ONE X2 right here and the new bullet time attachment. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more One X2 review and tutorial, and I will see you next time.